In the Saif Ali Khan stabbing case, the visuals on your screen is the portion of knife that was recovered by the doctors. This knife portion was pulled out from the back of Saif Ali Khan. This is the hexa knife that was used in the attack by the accused on the night at 2:33 a.m. when the accused entered Saif Ali Khan's residence and attacked him, stabbing him multiple times, at least 6 times. Saif Ali Khan was stabbed using this hexa knife and this blade portion is what the doctors have recovered. It is completely soaked in blood. We have blood, the visuals for viewers' discretion. My colleague Radhika is joining me for more on this. Radhika, we are aware that the doctors said that 2.5 inch of this blade has been pulled out from Saif Ali Khan's body. Tell us about what other details do the police have right now?
That's right. Multiple surgeries were performed on Saif Ali Khan, and yes, 2.5-inch knife, or rather the hexa blade, was pulled out of actor's spine, and after which they repaired his leaking spinal fluid. So those were the procedures that were carried out. Very, very, worrying certainly. It could have been fatal had it, penetrated into his spine even more, which is what the doctors have said. So, of course, those are the visuals of the knife that was taken off of his spine. And besides that, of course, he had injuries in other parts of his body as well, including his neck as well as his hand. But, investigations and police, I beg your pardon, doctors have confirmed that his condition currently is out of danger, but they cannot give an assurance of when he can be discharged because he requires rest at this point. As far as investigations are concerned, yes, more details emerging. CCTV visual of the entry and exit of this attacker, shows that he was in the premises for almost an hour and 30 minutes terrorizing the family inside the house for close to half an hour. So those are really shocking details here. How did he get entry into the premises, or how did he manage to enter the premises so effortlessly? That is something Mumbai police will have to investigate more upon. Did he have contacts inside, or did he work in this particular building or in the neighboring buildings in the recent past? Because there was a lot of labor work, carpentry work going on in the building and, in the neighboring buildings as well. So was he a part of the workers at the time? These are being investigated by the police. One man is being questioned. Is he the suspect? Not really sure, because Mumbai police is yet to give details of who this man is who's being questioned. When we see the visuals, there is similarity. He looks similar to the person who is in the CCTV footage. But is it a case of mistaken identity, or is he indeed that suspect, indeed that attacker? We'll really have to wait for the official confirmation from Mumbai police. But as of now, 20 teams deployed, CCTV footage, of course, being closely examined from all parts of this building, technical evidence being collected, phone evidence, phone data being checked. They are trying to understand whose phones were active at the time of the incident, and then narrowing down on the suspect now. And in the latest update, one man being questioned.